Space, the Dark Kingdom, consisting of rules that are oblivious like the oblivion itself, has always fascinated the minds of humans. Men always wanted to lighten this dark land to discover its secrets, and we have come a long way. Hello, Tech Fam! Welcome to Tech United. I know how thrilled you are to watch this video as we are here to discuss how Elon Musk and NASA's bizarre new discovery in black hole changes everything. Yes, you heard me right. The advanced knowledge about the unknown is said to change our perception of everything. Before moving forward, make sure to like, share, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to get notified every time we post a new video. If you're new here and you love tech-related content, do check out our channel. On that note, come along. SpaceX and NASA are the two most promising space research centers of all time. I'm sure most of you know what NASA is, but for those of you who are not familiar with SpaceX, it is a space research organization launched by the one and only Elon Musk. And do you know what their primary goal is? It is to colonize Mars. We've just heard things like this in a sci-fi movie, but this is true. If you ask me, the one thing in space we had absolutely no idea about, the answer would undoubtedly be black holes. I mean, how can we possibly know about something which is like a natural vacuum cleaner that sucks anything on its territory, and this guy here has enough power that even light can't escape it. So, obviously, we can't see it, can we? But what if I tell you that now we have a photograph of this natural monstrosity? If you think this is impossible, what if I tell you SpaceX will be launching NASA's black hole spacecraft? Yes, this is happening. What do you think of this gadget, consisting of the peak of advanced technology, is going to do for us? How will it be useful? Let's find out. Do you guys know that mysterious bodies like black holes or neutron stars are surrounded by gases of temperature ranging above 1,000,000 degrees and emit extreme high-frequency radiation? This level of energy is incompatible for the human to conceive, and you can't even expect to be physically present anywhere near it. The device gives us a better understanding of these pulsars, which have extreme environmental conditions. These radiations vibrate in a particular direction, making them polar. Now, NASA is all set to use this polarization behavior of the energy better to understand the origin and growth of these objects. Have you heard of IXPE telescopes? It is used to study the polarized light we were talking about. Falcon 9, a spacecraft designed by SpaceX, will be used to launch the IXPE, that is, Imaging X-ray Polarimetry Explorer. Cool name, huh? The polarized light coming out of stellars, supermassive black holes, neutron stars, and pulsar wind nebulae found near the remains of a supernova emits polarized light, which will be studied with the help of 3 different telescopes. This indeed is a challenging mission. Science has come a long way. By checking these polarized lights, what information will they find? What is the reason behind all this? Let's find out. Scientists worldwide were always curious, not just about the black hole or other oblivious natural formations, but their harsh environments. With the help of these telescopes, we can light up these dark places and see the knowledge that is invisible to us. For a more short yet deep understanding, listen to the man himself, Paul Hertz, the director of NASA's Astrophysics Division. He says, "We cannot directly image what's going on near objects like black holes and neutron stars, but studying the polarization of X-rays emitted from their surrounding environments reveals the physics of these enigmatic objects." So, it is more like how we usually use radiation to find the physical characteristics of an object, only 100 or 1,000 times bigger. In this mission, even though the mind is of NASA's, SpaceX commands and takes the task forward with their most advanced space vehicles. I mean, who thought reusable spacecraft were even possible? Both Tesla and SpaceX have a history of redefining the word success, and SpaceX was one of the first companies to produce spacecraft that could actually land after its usage. Well, do you guys want to know how the president of SpaceX views the mission? He says, "SpaceX is honored that NASA continues to place its trust in our proven launch vehicles to deliver important science payloads to orbit. IXPE will serve as SpaceX's 6th contracted mission under NASA's LSP, increasing the agency's scientific observational capabilities." NASA and SpaceX always had a good relationship with each other and have helped each other in getting humans into space, thus helping us reach heights we never even knew existed. Elon Musk, CEO of SpaceX, a man with undying passion and arduous work, who is currently the richest man on the planet, was emotional in an interview where he says NASA helped them from getting bankrupt with their $1.5 billion contract, which allowed them to move forward and reach the top. In April, humankind found something that we thought was impossible. Yes, the images of a black hole. Astronomers decoded it to discover a supermassive black hole in the middle of the Messier 87 galaxies in the Virgo galaxy cluster. I know these names seem like they're from the Guardians of the Galaxy movie, but it's true. Well, do you guys have any idea how far this black hole is? Hopefully, very far away. We don't want to be sucked in, do we? Chill, cause it is located 55 million light years from us. How far is that? Almost 5.2 times 10 to the 20 kilometers away from us. That's some actual distance. Can you even imagine something more significant than the Sun? What if I tell you the black hole has a mass 6.5 billion times that of the Sun? How hard must it have been to form an accurate image of such an atrocity? Even though the black hole found was so far away, Elon Musk, the man questioned as a superhero or supervillain, believed that a black hole would destroy the Earth. I mean, after discussing the things out there, doesn't it already feel like the planet is a bit too small? Well, this was the thought that made Elon say, an asteroid or a supervolcano could certainly destroy us, but we also face risks the dinosaurs never saw, an engineered virus, nuclear war, inadvertent creation of a micro-black hole, or some as yet unknown technology that could spell the end of us. Sooner or later, we must expand life beyond our little blue mud ball, or go extinct. In 2020, NASA and SpaceX shook the world when they launched the Lightspeed engine. Is it even possible to develop a machine to travel at the speed of light? This was what David Burns was trying to answer in his spare time. He came up with a concept in designing an engine so powerful it can theoretically accelerate to almost 99% of the speed of light. How do you think this works? This theory works by exploiting how mass can change at relativistic speeds, those close to the speed of light in a vacuum. How do you think traveling at the speed of light would be? When you're in a state when light struggles to keep up with you, of course, it will blur your vision and you may see things far beyond what the human brain can process. I mean, time would appear to stop and everything behind you would disappear or appear black as there is no light. You may reach a state of constancy where a clock would seem to stop and planets of the universe stop moving. Truly unreal, isn't it? As mentioned in the title, this discovery does breach Newton's law of motion, thus violating the laws of physics. Still, according to Dr. Burns, the design can produce a thrust up to 99% the speed of light without breaking Einstein's theory of relativity. This magical vehicle would only be effectively working in the absolutely frictionless environment of deep space where there are no other forces to disturb its trajectory. And do you guys want to know something that is holding back the helical engine? For it to happen, the machine should be 650 feet long and 40 feet wide, which is quite huge. And with that, we have come to the end of today's video. So, are you guys fascinated by seeing the grand schematics of things? You are. Come on, you guys, how can you not be? Also, what was your favorite part of the video? Let us know your views and opinions in the comments below. Do you like watching this type of content? If yes, check out our video on Elon Musk just revealed brand new plans for Gigafactory Shanghai, and just revealed Elon Musk's speech why Tesla Model 2 is the best family car. So, what are you waiting for? Hit that like button and make sure to subscribe to our channel, and we'll keep you entertained with more cool videos. Also, yes, don't forget to press the bell icon. We'll see all of you again in another video. Until then, bye folks!